What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Let's shed some light on paracord bracelets. Alright, so I saw this paracord bracelet and I was kind of intrigued by it because of some of the features. It's actually something that I've never had on a paracord bracelet, and that is light. Lots of light. Alright, comes wrapped in plastic like this. Does come in a variety of colors, so you don't have to get it in this brown and orange, but I liked it. It looks pretty cool. Now, first of all, we've got a ton of paracord wrapped up here, and it's nice and sturdy. You can see how thick it is. That'll wrap right around your wrist, and so you can wear it as like a bracelet when you're going out into the wilderness. This RNS STAR buckle up here is polymer, and you can see that it will have a matching piece down here. So you've got this little track that will slide into the slot just like that, and then there's must be a little detent in there somewhere because it kind of clicks into place. So it's pretty easy. It's actually a little easier than a buckle, and you can just pull it off like that, and it seems to be in there pretty good. All right, now this is the piece that's kind of most interesting. First of all, you can see here that we have a little battery protector, and there's a battery that goes in there. I'm not sure if that's replaceable or not. It looks like the power button is right here, little power button right there, and this might come off. I'm going to go ahead and activate the battery by pulling this out. It's going to let it discharge and turn on. You can see we have an oil-filled compass here. Seems to be spinning, floating around there. Seems to be working all right. That's kind of nice. Big polymer plastic right here. And we also have on this side a whistle. Works, tested, Peter approved. And then right here, if I pull this out, I was pulling on it with my fingernail and I couldn't get it out, so I grabbed a flathead screwdriver and then it popped out right away. So that's just a little tab in there, but you can kind of force it out, but you might need something. And you can see it's a little blade and scraper. I don't see a ferro rod on here, so I'm going to assume maybe that is used more to cut things up. You could actually use it to cut the end off this and get it going, but you do have a little blade right there, and it goes back in like this. So that's kind of nice. Little blade, no matter how small, can be super helpful out in the wilderness. Now, this is the piece that was new to me. A little frosted lens right there, and if I hit this power button right there, boom, we get an LED light. Looks like on, off. If I hold it down, nope, but if I hold it down while it's on, oh, there we go. They get a little strobe. So you do have that, ooh, and SOS, and then back off. So pretty cool. That is awesome. And it's the first time I've seen on a paracord bracelet a light built in there. Now, I will say that it would be kind of cool if you had the light. Honestly, that's going to be pretty nice. And I think in a completely dark room, and I'll test it out, you know, a little bit of light will allow you to navigate a trail or read a map or whatever. And so I've been out in the wilderness sometimes, and without any moonlight, dude, it is dark, and just a little light makes all the difference. So that's pretty awesome. I also wouldn't mind having a little bit larger blade on there. Some of the paracord bracelets have like a really large one, but I'll tell you what, between the whistle, the compass, a small blade, and a light, this is a pretty much a do everything paracord bracelet. And I have big wrists here. Get it on there, and you can see I have a big wrist, and this is still nice and loose, just like I like it, but it's not going to fall off no matter what. I will say that I do like the buckles better, but I get that because you have those long prongs, this plastic housing here is going to be way too big. Even now, it's probably as long as you're going to want it because of all the stuff that's built in there, and then to pop it off just like that. Then you can have it at the ready. Hey, if you want to pick this up, it was inexpensive, like $6. So I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.